Hey, what's up guys, this is the Orange Hustler for another review in this channel. So today I will talk about the Profit NFT. So in this review I will show what is the Profit NFT, the sales page, the live demo, the pros and cons, and a lot of informations you need and must know about this product. Without any further, let's get started. So first of all, what is the Profit NFT? Profit NFT is a brand new NFT maker, allows you to design, create and sell unlimited DeFi NFTs on the blockchain without a minute, and all with zero coding, zero trading, investing and zero experience. So here in the sales page, brand new NFT maker lets you design, create and sell unlimited DeFi NFTs on the blockchain without minutes, all with zero coding, zero trading, investing and zero experience. So this is some features of the Profit NFT. Create unlimited NFTs from scratch with one click, 100% cloud-based, no coding required, no need to buy, invest or trade any crypto, drag and drop designer built-in, plus 30 done for you templates included, commercial license included, sell NFTs to local businesses and online clients for thousands, smart contracts technology, your NFT are 100% your verifiable properties, ready to sell for thousands on any platform. Unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption protects your NFT's privacy and personal data. Premium mainter included gets your NFTs published on the blockchain, your chance to type into the next digital gold mine, step-by-step training included, 100% newbie-friendly, no technical skills, no how or coding required, no monthly fees, pay once, use forever, double your money back guarantee, 24 hours and 7 days a week support from marketing gurus. So basically this is some features of the Profit NFT, and there is 3 steps to use this product. Step number 1 is log into the stunning cloud-based software. There is nothing for you to set up, configure or any coding involved. You don't even need to have a crypto account, invest or trade. Step number 2 is use their DeFi templates or the drag and drop editor to create the NFT your dream. Use for yourself or client. Commercial license is included together with smart contract that certify your ownership and an NFT minter so you can publish on the blockchain. And of course, step number 3 is publish your NFT with one click straight to the world's biggest NFT marketplace and sell for crypto riches. It only takes one click to cash out, 100% newbie friendly, and we even have a step-by-step training to help. And you can scroll all the sales page and see more features and informations about the Profit NFT. Now let's see the product from inside. Like you see, this is the product from inside. You will have all these PNG elements you can use with commercial license, of course. Like you see, this is easy to use, even a 10 years old child can do it. And for the price, so you will get cloud-based software creates unlimited NFTs from scratch. One click creator gets your NFT published on the biggest marketplaces on the earth. Drag and drop editor lets you tweak everything with zero coding involved, plus 30 done for you NFT templates and any local and online niche. Commercial license, sell those NFTs to clients or build NFT for clients from scratch. Smart contracts technology, your NFT are 100% your verifiable property. Premium mentor included get your NFTs published on the blockchain. Built-in training to get your NFT published and generating $1 plus $1,000 NFT. Sell unlimited NFTs without trading or investing your own money. 24 hours, 7 days a week, white glove support. SSL encryption keeps your NFT secure. SEO optimization gets your NFT to the top of the search result. Value of all this is $7,964. You can get it today for just $16.93 one-time pay, no monthly fees. And beside all this, you will get a 30 days money back guarantee if you don't like the product or you face a problem. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will much appreciate it if you use my link to purchase the Profit NFT, because I will get a small commission for that. That's helped me and help the channel, and I will much appreciate it, like I said, if you do that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a like if you benefit, of course. Smash that red button below and see you on the next review.